Hello everyone. Today we will prepare 5 different breakfasts for each day. First, prepare a quick breakfast in a pan. It is satisfying and very tasty. Cooking is easy. First, prepare all the ingredients. 50 grams of sausage cut into cubes. You can also use boiled sausage, sausages, or ready meat. "30 grams of cheese 3 on a fine grater. Cut a bunch of green onions. Instead of him, you can use white onions or any greens, for example dill or parsley. 1 small tomato cut into cubes. Preparing dough. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of sour cream. It can be replaced with kefir or yogurt. Add about 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything until homogeneous. Here we pour 4 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon sweet ground paprika, and pepper black ground pepper. Mix everything until homogeneous. In the finished dough, add grated cheese, chopped sausage, green onion, and tomato. Mix everything. On warmed up, pour some vegetable oil into the pan. Spread the cooked dough. Evenly distribute it throughout the pan. Cover and cook on low heat, approximately 10-15 minutes. When dish, already practically ready and roasted on one side, turn it to the other side. Cover and cook 2 more, 3 minutes on a small fire. The finished dish is removed from the pan and served on the table. Breakfast turned out very tasty, fragrant, and satisfying. Key is universal, since you can add everything to it. What is in the fridge? Only the preparation of the dough remains unchanged. Make sure to prepare such breakfast. Please yourself and your loved ones. Second, cook delicious, beautiful, and unusual breakfast of eggs. Preparing such breakfast is very simple and fast. 1 thin lavash cut into square pieces, measuring approximately 10 by 10 centimeters. Take a form for baking cupcakes, and be sure to lubricate it with butter. I melted it a little in the microwave, so it's easier to brush. Molds use these. Which ones do you have? They can also be single, metal, or silicone. Put each piece of lavash in a separate mold, forming a cup. In each cup of lavash, break 1 egg. On top of the egg is a little salt. 100 grams of rubber cheese on a large grater. Grated cheese, sprinkle eggs profusely on top. For each egg, you need about 15 grams of cheese. Mozzarella cheese is best, but you can take, like me, any. Which one do you have in your fridge? This is a basic cooking recipe. Eggs in pita cups. At your discretion, you can add everything here. What do you currently have in the fridge? For example, sausage, bacon, tomatoes, and various greens. We put everything in already. Preheated oven to 180 degrees. Bake for about 15 15 minutes in my oven. During this time, the yolk does not have time to fully bake. Breakfast is ready. Serve it on the table hot. Beautiful breakfast from eggs in pita cups turned out very tasty, unusual, and beautiful. Prepared, it is so simple and easy that absolutely everyone can handle him. Be sure to cook it. Third, prepare a hearty and very tasty breakfast with lavash. Cooking as simple as possible. Take a thin lavash and spread it on the table. On pita, spread plates of thinly sliced cheese. You can also grate cheese on a grater and sprinkle pita with it. Total, it took me 150 grams of cheese. Mugs, thinly sliced sausage spread on top of the cheese. Sausage can be used any. On wish, sausage can be cut into cubes and put on cheese. Total, it took me 100 grams of sausage. We twist everything into a tight roll. Roll cut into small pieces. Break 3 eggs into a bowl. And pour 100 milliliters of milk. Salt to taste. And pepper, black ground pepper. Mix everything until homogeneous. Put the pan on a small fire and pour some vegetable oil. Spread all the rolls. On rolls, pour cooked omelet. Cover the pan and cook on a small fire until the omelet is ready. Dish ready. Transfer it to a plate and serve it on the table. Breakfast with lavash turned out very tasty and satisfying. Preparation simple and products available. Also, this dish is perfect for dinner. Be sure to cook it. It's very yummy. Fourth, cook a roll of eggs. It is prepared very easily and not quite usual. Turns out tasty and satisfying. It will take literally 10 minutes to cook it. First, prepare the ingredients for breakfast. Finely chop a small bunch of dill. 50 grams of ham cut into plates, and then small cubes. Ham can be replaced with sausage or ready meat. 50 grams of cheese, 3 on a large grater. Take 1 tomato, cut it in half. We're only gonna need half a tomato. Half a tomato cut into small cubes. Break 4 eggs into a bowl. Salt to taste. And pour 100 milliliters of milk. Beat everything with a whisk until uniform. On a heated pan with a little vegetable oil, pour 1 ladle of prepared egg mixture and distribute it throughout the pan. On top of the omelet, sprinkle with chopped dill. When the omelet got ready, roll it up with a tube right on pan and move to one side. Pour the next ladle of egg mixture into the pan. On top, we put pieces of prepared ham. Again, we are waiting when the omelet is cooked and roll it into a tube. Pour the third ladle of egg mixture. Sprinkle it with tomato pieces. Roll up with a tube again. And the fourth time we pour the egg mixture and sprinkle it. Cheese. Cover the pan with a lid. Prepare such an omelet on fire a little more than the minimum. When the cheese melts, remove the lid and roll the omelet until the end. Omelet ready, can be served on the table. Omelet with filling turned out very tasty and unusual. Prepared easily and on the table looks spectacular. Make sure to cook breakfast like this and surprise. Please your family and friends. Fifth, cook chocolate oatmeal stuffed. This breakfast is perfect for those who adheres to proper nutrition. Pour 30 grams of oatmeal into a chopper bowl. Chop it into a small crumb. Chopped oatmeal pour into a bowl. Also pour 1 tablespoon of cocoa. And break 1 egg. Here we pour 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything. If desired, you can add some sugar to the dough. On warmed up, pour some vegetable oil into the pan. Spread the oatmeal dough. Evenly distribute it over the pan. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. While getting ready, 1 banana cut into plates. Ready, remove from the pan. Grease 1/2 of the pancake with cream cheese. Can be replaced with curd cheese or cottage cheese. On top, spread mugs of bananas. Cover with the other half of the pancake, folding it in half. If desired, you can pour honey on top. Breakfast is ready. Serve it on the table. Breakfast of oatmeal pancake with the filling turned out very tasty. Satiety gives breakfast and banana and cream cheese taste nice. Also, such a pancake can be cooked without cocoa. If you liked these breakfast recipes, then be sure to like and write comments. Subscribe to my channel to don't miss new videos with Tasty and Easy with Anna.